Are you tired of just saying I'm happy or I'm sad? Do you ever feel something deeper or a calm satisfaction you can't quite describe? Today we are diving into emotional English so you can move beyond the basics and finally express the full range of what you feel. Let's be honest, most learners, even advanced ones, stick to the basics: happy, sad, angry. But imagine this: your friend asks how you're feeling after graduation. Do you really just feel happy, or is it bittersweet? Joy mixed with a little sadness that a chapter is ending. This is a limitation of basic vocabulary. It doesn't capture your real emotions. And when we don't have the right words, we can't fully connect. That's why mastering nuanced expressions is so powerful. It helps people truly understand us. Let's break down some of these more complex emotions. Bittersweet. Happiness mixed with sadness. For example, leaving my hometown was bittersweet. I was excited for the future, but sad to say goodbye. Next, melancholy. A soft, thoughtful sadness. Not dramatic, but gentle. On rainy days, I sometimes feel a little melancholy. Next, serendipitous. This is a happy surprise. Meeting my best friend at the airport was completely serendipitous. Notice how each word tells a richer story than just happy or sad. And context matters. Being annoyed at traffic is not the same as being frustrated with a coworker or irritated by noise. The intensity and situation change the meaning. Let's take your emotional English even further with some idioms, phrasal verbs, and vivid adjectives or adverbs that bring your feelings to life. Let's start with down in the dumps. This means feeling very sad or depressed. After failing the exam, I was really down in the dumps for a few days. On cloud nine. This means extremely happy or joyful. When she got the job offer, she was on cloud nine all week, utterly devastated. This means completely heartbroken or deeply upset. He was utterly devastated after the breakup. Quietly content. This is peaceful happiness without showing it loudly. She sat by the window, sipping a tea, quietly content with life. Blown away. When you're blown away, you're extremely impressed or amazed. I was blown away by her performance at the concert. Worked up. This is feeling upset, nervous, or excited about something. Don't get so worked up about the meeting, it will be fine. A roller coaster of emotions. This means experiencing many different emotions in a short time. Graduating was a roller coaster of emotions: excitement, fear, and pride all at once. Bottled up feelings. When you bottle up feelings, it means you are hiding or suppressing emotions instead of expressing them. He had bottled up feelings for years until he finally opened up to his friend. Walk on air. This is feeling extremely light and happy, like floating. After hearing the good news, she was walking on air. Burned out. When you have a burnout, it means you are emotionally or physically exhausted, often from overwork or stress. After months of long hours, he was completely burned out. Blow off steam. To release build-up stress, anger, or frustration. After a long week of work, she goes jogging to blow off steam. Deeply grateful, very thankful in a profound way. I'm deeply grateful for your help during a difficult time. These expressions give you a richer palette of emotions to work with. Instead of repeating the same words, you can now paint your feelings with detail and color, just like a native speaker. This is powerful in friendships, relationships, even at work. Emotional English is the key to empathy. This week, try using at least 2 of these new expressions in real conversations, messages, or journaling. The more you practice, the more natural they will feel. And now, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite new emotional expression from today's lesson? Drop it in the comments. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next step in mastering English communication. See you in the next one.